This time, I'm going to teach you how to customize your own kitchen item. First, download the required materials and connect the device to the machine as well as the camera cable. Turn on the machine and touch auto mode for focusing. Select the camera and cover the engraved area. So I have set up the camera before this point. If you're using it for the first time, you will need to make the relevant setting. Align it and click Start. To engrave the chopper, the infrared module needs to be replaced.